Welcome back to Android Tutorials, and in this video we are going to make a recycler adapter. In our new series you are continue learning a recycler view. So for that we have created our array list, our recycler model which contain one image and two strings. So for that model is created. Next we had created our recycler item. So you can see that here it is, and our item contain one card view, recycler, relative layout, and one image and two text, and main layout as a recycler view. Now we are going to create a adapter to attach the array list with recycler view. For that I am going to click on new Java class, and here you have to write recycler adapter, then click enter. So when you click enter you will find this type of class. So here first we are going to extend it with recycler view dot adapter. So here extends recycler view dot adapter, and then we have to pass our view model. So recycler view, recycler adapter dot view holder, or we can write recycler view holder. So it will generate an error. So create a inner class. So it will be here only. So first let's make its class. So that will be private, not private but public static class, that is recycler view holder. So you can see that here one error is gone. Now we have to extend this with recycler view holder. So recycler view dot view holder. Then you have to just implement all the methods that here it is saying the error. So here first I had implemented static constructor, then implement methods, and here add all three methods. And first we are going to create a recycler adapter array list so that we can make a constructor. First I am going to write array list and then pass our recycler model. Okay, so instead of this recycler model, let's say it will be recycler model, and here I am writing recycler models. Then we have to generate a constructor for this. So right click and then generate a constructor for our recycler models. Then click on OK. So here you can see that our constructor is created. Now in get item method we have to set our array list size. So recycler models dot size. Now this method is completed, and next we have to work in recycler view holder first. So here I am going to write image view. So image view, then we have to text view and text2. Now here we have to first find what is the ID of our items. So for that, come to recycler item, and here you will move to design part. So here you can see that image view, text view and text view 2 is our ID. So here in recycler view holder model view holder, you have to write a image view is equal to item view dot find view by id, r dot id dot image view. Then press Ctrl D to duplicate them, and then we have to write text1 and text2, and then with corresponding text view 1, and here is our text view 2 as a description. So now we had completed our recycler view holder. Now move to our recycler view on create view holder. So here we have to write new view is equal to layout inflator dot inflate, sorry, dot from, then write parent dot get context dot inflate r dot layout dot recycler item comma parent comma false. Then we have to cast a new view here. So here we are going to write new recycler view holder, and now we have to pass our view that we had created here. So here is our view. Now our own create view holder is completed. So now I am going to write on bind view holder. So in this on bind view holder, we have to write our current item. So our array list will come here. So recycler models is equal to, or we can write recycler model only. So recycler model, or first let's say implement our recycler model only. So recycler model current item is equal to, so our current item will be from our list. So here we have to write our models array list dot get position. Then we have to write all this stuff and implement in our card view. So for that I am going to write image view, or first holder dot image view dot set image you are set image resource. Now we have to give current item dot get image image. So this is came from our model. So you can see that here is our model. Okay, next I am going to again move to our recycler adapter, and then again we have to write holder dot text1 dot set text, and here we have to write current item dot get text1. then press Ctrl D to duplicate them, then write text2, and instead of get text1 we are going to write get text2. Okay, so on-bind view holder is also created, means our adapter is ready to work, but we have to first cast it in our main activity. So for that we have to move to our main activity and work over there. So in this our main activity, you can see that we have created our complete array list with the name recycler models. Now I am going to add some space here and then start implementing our recycler view. So first is a recycler view, and this complete series is also about recycler view. So here I am going to write recycler view, a recycler view, and now here we have to cast all that stuff. So recycler view is equal to find view by id r dot id dot recycler view, and then we have to write all these things. So first recycler view dot set has fixed size to be true, then set its layout manager, so its a layout manager will be new linear layout manager, and pass the context this. Then again recycler view dot set its adapter. So first we are going to write its adapter only. So here I am going to write recycler adapter is equal to adapter new recycler adapter. So here we have to write recycler models array list. So you can see that we created over here recycler models. So we had pass it, then recycler view dot set adapter and adapter. So by this way we can write our array list to recycler view, and in next video we are going to learn how to add on click listener on that. So if you really enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Android tutorials to learn more about recycler view. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.